Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. So this is the series AI and Beyond. Let's start discussing AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Here I'm going to show you a few examples of AI that you have come across. Cleaning robots and other type of robots, facial recognition systems, now ChatGPT, which is basically a part of generative AI, certain medical applications, Google search that you do on daily basis, and the social media posts and ads you see that are customized according to user choice is also based on AI recommendation systems. Also on Amazon, when you buy something and you see a lot of related items, all of this is a part of AI. And again, the autonomous vehicles, which is a very recent application of AI. So, what is AI? Intelligence is, according to Wikipedia, the ability to perceive or infer information. So, artificial intelligence is the same thing when based on computers or machines to simulate human intelligence and problem solving skills. So, when combined with other technologies like sensors, geolocation, robotics, it can perform a wide variety of tasks that require human intelligence or intervention otherwise. So you have heard terms like machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. I'm going to discuss both of these terms in details in the next video. So these are basically ways to create models and techniques to make sense of the data that is being input to the system. AI has gone through many cycles of hype, but even to skeptics, the release of ChatGPT marked a major point. The last time generative AI got so big was the introduction of computer vision, which involved applications like facial recognition, self-driving cars, robotic automation, and many others that we have discussed previously. But now the leap forward is in natural language processing. So today, this AI can learn and synthesize not just human language, but other type of data like images, video, software code, and even molecular structures. Next, we are going to discuss about the types of AI since it is very strong. So let's talk about strong AI and weak AI. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, has the capacity to do a specific task that it's designed to do. So basically, all of the AI we are using these days is weak AI. Strong AI, on the other hand, is capable of learning, adapting to like humans do. That being said, strong AI systems are not in place at this point in history, but continuous research and development in AI is steering us towards this thing, which will result in the defining of AGI, artificial general intelligence. Then comes the super AI, which refers to AI that is capable of surpassing human intelligence in all areas. It is a hypothetical form of AI that is not yet possible to achieve, but it is going to solve a lot of pressing problems that humanity is facing, like climate change, disease, and poverty. But you have seen a lot of examples of it in Hollywood movies like Skynet, Terminator, and Jarvis in Iron Man. So let's explore the dark side of AI, where the first concern is the privacy of data that is being used by the models as a training data. So a lot of data that is being harvested for such uses can be fetched from any of the locations. Even the most private data of people can be used to train those models because no legislation is in place and there is no transparency that how these models are being built and trained. Also, you can introduce biasness in the data very easily, which can favor a certain ethnicity, nationality, or sex orientation. So the data can be added which is already biased for the training of the models, or you can easily add biasness in the model as well. So, considering ethics when being used in health and criminal systems is also very important because that systems contain a lot of sensitive information that can be used against normal people as well as the minority and vulnerable groups. There should be a certain legislation to protect them from the potential dangers of AI. So, if not properly regulated and controlled, according to Elon Musk, there can be a lot of risks of AI surpassing human intelligence and potentially posing a threat to humanity if not managed. So, Musk has also called for proactive regulation and oversight to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, which is obviously very true. On the other hand, Mark Zuckerberg has taken a quite optimistic approach, and he is basically talking about the positive side how AI can improve various aspects of life, such as healthcare, transportation, and communication. Zuckerberg believes that AI has the potential to be a force for good and can help solve a lot of the world's most pressing challenges, which is again true. So, what are the positives and negatives of AI that you have witnessed in your individual or collective lives? Do let me know in the comment section. If there is anything you want to add, feel free to post in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in.